How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the BeeTV application to your Fire Stick as well as the Bear Player, which is necessary for this app to work. And without any further ado, the first step is you gotta get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. To do so, we'll go to search, open the search bar, here we go, and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, it has already popped out on the right side. So click on the loader, and there is that app, which you gotta get. Then after you got the loader, it's not over yet, because still we have to set it up. So now in order to actually stop the loader, we'll need to go to settings. Here we are, we open the settings right here. And now we need to go to My Fire TV. And the next step is you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and that you cannot find the developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now finally you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on 8-bit debugging, then go to installation of unknown apps. And what you have to do in here is locate and loader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we head back to a list of apps, and there you will see the downloader which we got. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back to a list of apps on your device, then let's locate Downloader, and finally open it up. So you will open Loader. Here we go. Here at the top, it's time to start entering the codes. So the first code is 9193904. Again, it's 9193904. That's the code to download the BeeTV app itself, but then later we'll also have to get the Bear Player. Now you will just click on Next. Here you go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. So just wait a bit, then you will click install and wait a little bit one more time until the app gets fully installed. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get the option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and pretty much that's it. Now we actually will need to enter one more code. So I accidentally left the loader, but you have to go back, again enter that search bar here at the top and enter another code, which is going to be 5050859. So again, 5050859. And then you will just click next. And now we're gonna be downloading the Bear Player, which is an essential app for your BeeTV application to work properly. So wait a bit until this web page opens and starts loading for you. And now this application will be downloaded. Then, just like previously, click install. And the process is the same as it was with the BeeTV application. So we just wait a bit, then click done, delete, and delete. Just like that. Now, when you go back to a list of applications on your Fire TV stick, you might notice the warning next to the BeeTV application. However, it will still work, because basically what you have to do is just click on the Launch Anyway button right here, and the app will still be working on your Fire Stick in 2026. So that is the full guide for you. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.